Productivity is a word we hear a lot, but what does it really mean? Simply put, productivity is about how much work you get done in a certain amount of time. It is a measure of efficiency, doing more with less effort or time. When someone is productive, they complete tasks, reach goals, or make progress quickly and effectively. Productivity is important in every part of life. Whether it is at work, school, or home, being productive helps us use our time wisely. Productivity is not just about working harder, it is about working smarter. This means focusing on what matters most, avoiding distractions, and managing time well. It is about setting clear goals and taking steps to achieve them. There are two main parts to productivity. Output. This is what you produce. It can be a finished project, an answered email, or a solved problem. The more quality work you complete, the higher your output. Input. This is the time and effort you put in. To be productive, you want to get a lot of good output from the input you give. Improving productivity means increasing your output without needing to spend much more input. This helps you achieve more in less time. Many people struggle with productivity because of distractions like social media, multitasking, or unclear priorities. To be more productive, it helps to plan your day with clear goals. Focus on one task at a time. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout. Remove distractions while working. Use tools like calendars or to-do lists. Remember, productivity is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. It's about finding the best way to use your time and energy to get important things done. In summary, productivity means getting more done in less time by working smarter, not harder. It helps us reach goals faster, reduce stress, and create more free time for what matters. Try to think about your daily habits and ask yourself, how can I be more productive today? Small changes can lead to big results over time.